showing up and bringing their unique and diverse ways of accomplishing things into the arena. There's a lot of different people here, guys, girls, older, younger, all kinds of different people. And we all are going to have something different to contribute. And also we're going to have a really different perspective on talking about poverty. You're talking about lacking basic things. I can say I have never in my life woken up and genuinely wondered whether I was going to get clean water or not. I've never had that thought. I mean, I've thought, why am I camping? Or man, this tour bus smells like butt. And there's all these dudes on the tour bus, man, I gotta get off this thing. Or, you know, things that are basic needs that we've had are inconveniences. We've all had inconvenient days, right? I don't have the shoes I wish I had, let alone have shoes at all. Or I hate my school, I really don't want to go to this school, let alone how about having the option of going to school at all. The things that we think about when you go back down to water and shoes and education, they're all based on our wants, our desires, not our actual needs. And as you guys are walking this mile, I would just ask you, and again, this is not us trying to in some way inflict pain on you. It happens to be somewhat painful in some situations, but it really is about the fact that you guys, we want you to have some of the experiences that we have been blessed to have, which is to see something for what it is and realize you have a role in changing it. We are talking about helping to provide the most basic things for people that are just like us, genuinely. Smart, talented, driven, inspiring people. People that they would be walking with us today. Communities in parts of the world, in places like Soweto, South Africa, or in Mozambique, or in Kenya. And what you guys are doing is really awesome. And what I think we are doing right now is also setting the tone for how our generation and the kids that follow us, the next generation, how we decide to use technology, how we decide to use the information we have. How many people have a phone here, right? I mean, that's kind of of course you all have phones, right? Hopefully we don't all end up with brain tumors too from it, but sorry, it was coming. We all have a way to talk to each other and to talk to everybody and instantly find out whatever is going on. Oh, I want to find out about this, I want to find out about that. We can figure it out, we can find the cause, we can find the location that we want to reach. And so the question is, with that increased power and increased reach, what do we do with it? And so, as an example, and I'm going to wrap things up here, you guys are using the ability to connect with one another. Maybe you got an update that said there's a walk today. Maybe it was on your phone, maybe it was on a website, but you showed up. You showed up early. In some cases, maybe you were just waiting to see the show and you saw the crowd and you followed it. You're like, what's going on? But you showed up. And we are giving not to a trickle-down policy that's going out to some big fund. We're going directly to a hospital to give medicine. We're going directly to a small nonprofit that drills clean water wells. We're going to, if you put your name down to check shoes, you're going to give money to Tom's Shoes, who is donating shoes. And many of you that walked with us, in 2007 were some of the first people to help educate and inform people about Tom's and how they were giving shoes for all the shoes that were purchased. Now millions of shoes have been given, and you guys have been a part of that. You're doing something, and you're going directly to the cause, and you are setting the tone for what happens in our world, how we decide to get things done, to change the world around us, and watch the statistics change. They've changed already. More people have medicine. There's more schools built. There's clean water wells drilled from walks just like this. And it continues because people continue to decide to show up. That's the hardest thing. You can always stand on the side and go, who's doing this? Is somebody in charge of this? They're going to take care of it. Who are they? They are us. We are the crowd that can show up and make it happen. But it all comes down to 1, 2, 3, 4, lots of bare feet. You gotta do what you can't. You gotta do what you expect others. When you look around and go, why didn't they? Oh, what am I doing? Start with you, right? Yep. So I'm gonna walk this way. You guys wanna come? Yeah! All right. Let's wrap this thing up. We're gonna finish the mile. Say, let's walk! Let's walk!